The government of Assam had decided to shut all the government high schools with 0% passing rate at high school leaving certificate examination. A total of 34 schools from across 16 districts of Assam had made their spot in the list. Out of 34 schools, 6 schools turned up from Karbi Anglong and 1 from West Karbi Anglong district. However, on 24th August, Karbi Students Association called for a press conference at Kolanga Irrigation Inspection Bungalow and showed their displeasure against shutting down of 7 government high schools from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. The names of the schools that had made their spot on the list from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts are Okering High School, Jaipong High School, Inglongkiri High School, Hauraghat Boro Medium High School, Deopani High School, and Menmeji High School. Secretary of Karbi Students Association, while addressing the media, informed that Karbi Students Association vehemently disagree on the decision made by the government of Assam in shutting down 7 government high schools under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. It is a fact that the performance of the schools in HSLC examination is poor, but it is the consequences of appointing less teachers in some schools. Hence, the decision of shutting 7 government high schools is not acceptable.
Na filabangso puta banil tuman ke jasmet lamthi ba klan tung ngana lo je il tumlong la ke dotang provincialization na school mukha fita menon bangke ingthan pon pera il tum la ko school lo ka siksa mana kisum ko pisido ma hala hawi jasmet internal missionary ban andogar ni ko asame sangi bola so assistant ban ko pisika dori mana pen la hawi school lo kenan so kopi mala hai chi ni pin pen puson men masi la high school ban than pon pe jil ban tum pen chedon ndi posil tum pen flemen tum khan pachini pon.
Activists of Karbi Students Association says that the concerned department and authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council must definitely intervene into this matter, as the decision of shutting 7 high schools is totally unacceptable to the Karbi Students Association.
Kedua high school fitame ilitum non masi labaki ke claim kon pancing kon bo je konana high school si teacher ka budget mal pen konana high school teacher si pini ke claim ke dam kapan claim mal high report tamil tum tibom lo lapen laso ban ke do desa fil tum fitame claim bom lo sinon la bangso claim ko report fitame non la men la bangso beta na ke le bang ke il tum bang ke kaman hu fitu gol
teacher ka beta choksi main reason na bang nasi government of Assam lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council jasame pet education ni am sa min tum juning rilo nang ni labang so putak well initiative and pen labang so kan hap check ading kalisi nang di ground report and pamira labang so school pi ko sonsi kibang zila ni ki claim poning market nang isi niltum mane nang ipang se apor pilo.
Wiki based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live.